everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and having fun at your homes. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Cap. In today's class, we will learn about day and night. And do you remember हमने last class में क्या पढ़ा था? Does anyone of you remember? Yes, we studied about clothing and stuff. Okay, you remember it? Okay, keep practicing. In today's class, I will tell you about day and night. Let's start our class. Okay, so there are two pictures given to you. One picture is of a daytime and second picture is of night time. Okay, this is day, this is night. So tell me, when it's day, what do you do? When it's the daytime, what do you do? First thing, in the day, you wake up in the morning, yes, and then you brush your teeth, you take a bath, then you get ready for the school, and then you have your breakfast, and then you go to the school, yes. That's things that we do in the daytime, okay. Then we study in the school, you play, you enjoy, you come back to the home, you have your lunch, and then you play again. You do cycling, you can do activities, you can do your hobbies, you do many things in the daytime, okay. So in the daytime, sun comes, okay, and you can see the clear sky like clouds, birds. We can see everything in the sky in the daytime. But when it's night, what do we see in the sky? We see moon, we see stars that twinkle in the sky, right? And when it's night, what do? You come back from playing, you eat your dinner, you do your homework, and then you sleep on your bed, right? These are the activities that you do in the night time. ये सब activities आप कब करते हैं? रात को करते हैं जब हम सो जाते हैं, okay? But tell me one thing, do you brush your teeth before sleeping? Yes, we should brush our teeth 2 times in a day. First in the daytime, second in the night time also, okay? So promise me that you will brush your teeth twice a day, okay? So the night time, sleep is very, very important. You should sleep on time, okay? If you will not sleep on time, what will happen? You won't be able to wake up in the morning. आप सुबह टाइम से उठ ही नहीं पाएंगे, है ना? And you will get late for the school. आप स्कूल के लिए भी लेट हो जाएंगे. So sleeping on time at night is very important, okay? And waking up early in the morning also, it's very important. So this is daytime and this is night time. I hope you will remember it. Alright, now there are some activities that we do in the daytime and some activities we do at the night time, okay? Like the boy is bathing. So bathing we do in the daytime. You will put paste stickers over here for the daytime. Then boy is going for a walk. It's daytime. We walk in the daytime, okay? So again, you will paste a sticker of a walking boy in the daytime, okay? Next is having dinner together. The family is eating food together. That is night time. And then this boy is sleeping on the bed. That is also night time, because see, it's dark here and then you can see moon, you can see stars. That is also night time. You will paste these two stickers in night time walk, okay? Alright, I hope you have got the concept of daytime and night time. Please don't forget it, okay? Keep practicing. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.